This channel is sponsored by Adorama. Look for the product links in the description box below. Yes, right after my Panasonic S1H video, there's a really huge camera. There's another product today. It's a really tiny camera, which is the Insta360 Go. Want to hear something crazy? This is not a 360 camera from Insta360. So what is this? So what is this? This is actually quite like, the first time when they mentioned this to me, I thought this is kind of like those wearable camera that you remember Google have a camera called Clip. I think it's called Clip. Those cameras, most of them, they kind of like have a concept that it got whatever fancy pants, AI, whatever, that it means that you clip it on your body. Those cameras constant on and then designed for you when to take photo. That's really not worrying for a camera that released from Google, right? This is not those. I think this is actually kind of like the Snapchat spectacle, because when you press a button, there's a button at the back, it will start shoot a video for 15 or 30 seconds, depends on how you set it up in the app. You can also click it again to stop the video recording. And then that is a charging case. It charged it's kind of like an AirPod. It charged It charged this Insta360 Go, and then you also plug this to your phone to transfer clips. The camera itself is really that simple. A fisheye lens, charging port and button at the back, mic on top. That's it. With the charging case and the camera both fully charged, they claim it's enough for 200 video clips. Now, one thing really great and what I expect from Insta360 is that they have their float stabilization thing. It's from the technology from their 360 camera like the 1 and the 1X. So this, in fact, when you start start shooting, in fact, there is no up, down, left and right. You can shoot in whatever angle. It just level itself with the gyro inside. And then the stabilization is pretty good. I've tried that already. So the first thing I thought of is I can shoot Instagram story with this. So I took it with me when I shot the S1H review. Every time I press the button on the go, it will take a 15-second clip. I stay for shooting. Not really. I have to stay covered. Can't go outside. Compared to using a phone, there's no unlock, find your app, launch it, hit record, upload, and miss the moment. When you have time, just pop the Go into the charging case, plug it to your phone to access your content. I like that there is an option for auto transfer and delete from the camera, so I could simply plug it in and it will do everything automatically. You can watch your clips, delete those you don't want. I would favorite those I want to post to Instagram story. Batch export them into vertical format. And go to Instagram and post them in one go. Exported files are in 1920 x 1088 pixel or 1088 x 1088 for square video. One key feature of this app is the AI auto edit feature. You pick a theme from daily hustle to travel. Then you can pick which clips you want to include into the video, or just tap flash cut. The app will use AI to find out what's in your clip and do all the heavy lifting for you. Insta360 told me that the AI thing is all done within your phone. It even works without internet connection. There's nothing uploaded to their server. This is what it ends up. I don't think I have enough footage for the app to edit. I imagine it would be much more suitable for a whole day of fun, especially for travel. How do you mount it? It actually got quite a lot of, quite some mounts. You got something like this. This is not for putting outside, put in your body, not in your body, I mean under your clothes, and then you can just stick it there. It got a button at the back, but when you stick it on anything, any solid surface, you can just press in the whole thing, you can press in the logo, and it will end up pressing the button at the back. It got a pad like this. It got a sticky side at the back. You can stick it to a lot of things, and this is reusable. You can put this cover back on after use, and this is magnetic. Yes, this is magnetic, so you can stuck it on there as well. And then we have this. You can put it on a tripod, you can put it on a gorilla pod, or you can put it on here, so you can stick it to anywhere. You can put it like this angle or that angle. For time lapse, you can shoot time lapse, and you have this, and then you put it on your headband. It is water resistant, it's good for splash, it's good for water splash, it's good for raining. So yesterday when I take the video for this S1X, how do I mount it on my body? It's easier when you have a shirt. When you have a front pocket, you just put this in the front pocket and it works really well. The magnet is strong and I love the stabilization. I also try stick it on my umbrella. But I think there's one obvious solution they haven't thought of. Wrist strap. Look at that. Selfie. Take video in front. Selfie. You can thank me later, Insta360. So I think for what it can do, it do it really well. It have really great stabilization, but it's not a camera that everyone wants. It's not a camera that everyone's saying that wow, this is great. I want it. It's not like iPod or iPhone that everyone wants it when they release. I mean, calm down, Android fanboys. So I think this Insta360 Go is that kind of product that you either already find it interesting, I don't have to sell it to you, or you have wasted your minutes on this video and you're still not convinced, and I don't think I can ever convince to you. This is that kind of product. It's like durian, you either love it or hate it. It's the 360 Go, a durian of a camera. Now before I end, I have to thank you Atomos again for sponsoring this video. Now you wonder what kind of gear I use to make my video. I have all the link in my description, in the video description down below. They are all Atomos link because they sponsor me, and yeah, check them out and help them and help me and help this channel. That's how it works.